Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I did a video the other day where we enlarged the first letter of the name on a text of path, but then when I moved it, somebody noticed that it just moved. It wasn't kind of on its own path. And if you look, if I bring back my circles, now the words are on the same path, basically. So this is a little bit overkill, but I'm going to show you how this can be done. It's not that big a deal, but we're going to put these two rings in the center of the page. So what I did, I made my text 1 inch tall, because then I'm going to make my letters like 50% larger. So I made two rings, and one of them is a 1/4 inch smaller, or a 1/2 inch smaller, which gives it a 1/4 inch on both sides. And then I'm just going to go to text the path, and I'm going to put on that path right on the line. Then while it's still on path, with the shape tool, I'm going to click on that first one, and I'm going to make it 150 points. And then I'm going to take the W and I'm going to make it 150 points. So now they're still on the same path. But what we have to do now is go to object and break the three objects apart, and now the text is separate. I am going to double click on it and move the rotation to the center. It doesn't look like it is, but if you double click, it is. And then rotate this W to the center. And then go Control K. And then hit the W and go Control K. Now I've got my nudge factor set on 1/4 inch. So I'm going to nudge it down. Now I have to group them together, Control G. Double click on the rotation to move it back. Doesn't look like it is, but it is. And then move the rotation to the D. There might be a better way to do this. I hope there really is. Now this time we just have to ungroup because we grouped them. And I'm going to take the D and Control K and move it down. That's pretty much it. Control G to group them together. Double click on the rotation. Rotate it back to where you think the center is. And then go up to object. Well, you have to select everything. Go up to object and ungroup them, and then take your lines away. And you have the D and the W on the same text to path. I really think my other one was probably sufficient enough, but maybe that'll help you do something else in the future. Just learning how to do different things. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.